हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं जीके का फर्स्ट चैप्टर क्लास 8। इससे हम अपने रीडिंग स्किल बढ़ाएंगे और लिसनिंग स्किल भी आप अपनी बढ़ा सकते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट चैप्टर है नेशनल बुक ऑफ इंडिया। द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया is the supreme law of India. The Constitution Day is celebrated in India on 26 November every year. The commemorate the adoption of the Constitution of India. Let us read important facts of Indian Constitution. India has the longest constitution in the world. The Constitution Assembly met for the first time in New Delhi on 9 December 1946. In the Constitution Hall, which is now known as the Central Hall of Parliament House, Indian Constitution was passed and adopted on November 26, 1949. The Constitution Assembly framing the Constitution had 22 committees. The Constitution Assembly took almost 3 years, 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to complete the historic task of drafting the Constitution for independent India. The Constitution of India was not typed or printed but was handwritten and college wrapped in both English and Hindi. The original copies of the Constitution of India are kept in special field cases in the library of the Parliament of India. The Indian Constitution was came into effect on January 26, 1950. The national emblem of India was adopted on the same day. The original 1950 Constitution is preserved in a nitrogen-filled case at the Parliament House in New Delhi. Timeline of formation of the Constitution of India. 6 December 1946 Formation of the Constitution Assembly of India. 9 December 1946 The first meeting was held in the Constitution Hall. 13 December 1946 An objective resolution was presented by Jawaharlal Nehru laying down the underlying principle of the Constitution. 29 August 1947 Drafting Committee appointed with P.R. Ambedkar as its chairman. 26 November 1949 The Constitution of India was passed and adopted by the Assembly. 26 January 1950 The Constitution came into force. Now, who is the writer of the Constitution of Indian in Hindi language? So, if you know the answer, please comment. Who is the writer of the Constitution of India in English language? B.R. Ambedkar. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? B.R. Ambedkar. आज का ये रीडिंग हम यहीं समाप्त करेंगे, यहीं पे क्लोज़ करेंगे। दोस्तों, फर्स्ट वाले क्वेश्चन का आंसर अगर आपको पता है तो मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइएगा। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।